This is crazy. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to I Am Santa TV. I hope you guys had a fun, lit, and all that good jazz of Christmas and New Year's. Cause I know I did. I actually just got back in from the States. I was in the States for 6 weeks, so I had a great time there, seeing friends and family. I'm actually in quarantine right now, so I actually made some videos for y'all. I actually did them. So I did 3 videos for y'all. I'm loading them up back to back to back. Maybe not that close, cause I need a little time. But yeah, so I actually did them videos, so check them out. This video today is gonna be me touring my house here in Korea, just seeing how people live and the different ways houses are set up here. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if I picked the right house, because the next video will be me house tour. Let me know if I chose the right house.
There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house.
So one of the biggest questions I keep getting asked is how they drive over there. They drive on the right side of the car or the left side of the car. They do drive on the left side of the car here, so it's just normal. Where I just pointed is my house. You can see it from like coming for my job. You see my house way over there. It's the little black one, black building back in the cut. Yeah, so the light on this, they drive pretty crazy here, I'm not gonna lie. But the speed limit is so low. Like on the highway, I think the highest you can drive is like 60 miles per hour. I have like 30 tickets. It's ridiculous because I drive crazy. Everybody that know me know I drive crazy. Yeah, so they getting me for it. And they got like a lot of tolls here too, but hey, it's a lot less accidents, like I say, than like other places I have lived. Yeah, so this is the little neighborhood I live in. When Koreans are doing construction, they always block everything off so you can't see it. You want to be a surprise, I guess. So that whole to the right is all construction. They're building, I guess, a new building there, and you can't see anything. So when you first come up to my house, there's a bar on the bottom floor. So you have to go up this big old hill. So I actually live on the 2nd floor. My gate have a gate code, so you have to pretty much put the gate code that me and my next door neighbor share. So really, she stays in a studio apartment. I have a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. My door is a code as well. So this right here, when you first walk into Korean houses, they have like a shoe storage. You're not supposed to bring your shoes inside the house or wear shoes in the house, as you can see. Yeah. When you come in, first thing you will see is the living room. You see my feet, no shoes in the house. Like I said, try to be respectful to my landlord. So when you first come in, you got the bathroom to your right. It's just like a little half bath for your guests if you have company over, whatever. Actually, I haven't had nobody at my house yet, which is crazy because y'all know me. I like to party and have fun, but I haven't met people like that really here yet. So far, I've been here like 7 months now. Yeah, my little bar area. You know, my favorite drink is tequila. If you're gonna buy me a bottle, go ahead and get that tequila. I don't think I like Casamigos. I'm mess nasty now. But yeah, my landlord had everything built in, as well as like the glasses he gave me. He gave me some Korean alcohol. I'm actually gonna do a video about soju. And the hookahs all came from Bahrain. I have lots of hookahs. I need to stop smoking them, but kinda addicted, not gonna lie. My sofa was custom made, as well as the chair from Bahrain. All my blue furniture is everything that come from Bahrain. Only thing that didn't come from Bahrain is the TV, I guess, and the center table. Everything else was from Bahrain and really cheap and great price. My sofas is custom made, both of them. The rug went like $30. I should have brought way more rugs. If you know me, you know I like board games and stuff. I'm the champ. If anybody want to play me Uno, you can see me anytime you feel like it. Just let me know, because I'm about that game. But yeah, so yeah, that's my living room. So right now we're headed to my workroom. This is where I pretty much do my homework, edit videos, as well as make t-shirts and different things. Yeah, this is the guest room next. It's all on the same floor, on the third floor. Yeah, I got my mattress from Amazon. It's crazy soft. Like, Amazon be doing the thing. And I got the bed frame from Amazon as well. The rug came from Bahrain. I should have brought way more rugs. The room is so small. I think it's like altogether the footage is like 6 by 8 room. So 6 feet by 8 feet. I think something like that. It's 6 feet by 10 feet. So it's very small in the room. So the bed, you already know it's like a full size, but feel claustrophobic. But at least my bedroom, the master's pretty big. Yeah, I'm ghetto. The TV sitting on top of a suitcase. I haven't brought no shelf yet. I haven't had no guests, so I don't need to buy it. All right, this is my dining area. It's pretty small, but you know, it's just the job. Like, I'm gonna sit up here actually. Got this furniture from Bahrain as well. It's not custom made though. This is Buster's room. As you can see, very nice. He ain't here yet. I can get him in December. But yeah, this is my kitchen. I love this kitchen. It's so nice to me. One thing I like about these refrigerators here, look at this. I don't know, they got this in America, or maybe my refrigerator is old at my house. But that's really cool and convenient. Yeah, I got a lot of snacks and stuff. A lot of cabinet space. Dishwasher. This is my first time having a dishwasher in my house. And boy, this is why my house is clean right now. The sink is huge, like ridiculously huge. Water filter. You know you ain't nothing if you ain't got no air fryer, right? Let me stop. I only use this thing like twice. I hate it. It make my food dry. Somebody teach me how to use it. Yep. Stove. This is pretty cool. Yeah, so yeah. I'm about to make some seafood lasagna. I'm gonna record that too, but that's a different story, a different video. This is my guest bathroom. Nothing fancy. It's actually pretty small in here. Like my head's pretty much touching the roof. I don't know. But it's nice though still, compared to the other bathrooms I've seen here. And I think this house is a couple of years old. Oh yeah, this is the best part about the toilet, man. Look at that. You can wipe your butt. We got a seat warmer. The seat's always warm. That thing there, fire. I got it blow dry your butt. I think that's for ladies right there. I'm not sure. I ain't tried that one yet. But yeah, you can turn the pressure down, make the water hotter. It's pretty cool. Definitely gotta get one when I get back to America. But yeah, this is my kitchen. My hookah area. My one and only book that I need. Now we're headed to the third floor. Mind y'all, this house got 52 stairs in it, and it's 4 floors. So yeah, we headed to the third floor. That's a long way down. I keep thinking I'm gonna fall down. I gotta stop that crowd. That's a long fall. But yeah, so this is my little washer, my laundry room, I guess you could say. It's a 2-in-1. It takes forever to dry clothes. I'm pretty sure it's shrinking my clothes. So I'm about to start trying to do air dry, but I know it's gonna take way too long. But yeah, my clothes are all shrinking, or I'm just getting fat. But yeah, so I got a grill out here. This seat turns into a bench. I haven't had company yet. I can't wait till I throw a shindig at my house and actually have a housewarmer maybe once COVID stops being stupid. My neighbor pretty annoying though. She just keep complaining about everything, so I ain't really want to do nothing at my house. But yeah, this is the skyline from my house. Pretty nice. Yeah, so this is everything out in here came to the house. So I didn't buy anything out here. So the grill came and the bench as well. I have 2 balconies. I'm gonna show you the other balcony a little later in the video. But also I'm gonna show you the night view because it's even crazier at nighttime.
Just flip the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing this.
So this is my bedroom. My bed was custom made in Bahrain. Even the bedroom sets I got from Bahrain as well. The name brand sets. I got a whole bunch of them. Need more. This one's pretty old. So I'm waiting on my new one's Tanika. But yeah, anyways, I got a rug there as well. So the room is pretty spacious, like a lot of open space. I actually work out. You can see the mat over there a lot of time, right there in that space. Yeah, so the little cabinet all came in the room as well. My landlord had that bed originally the long way right here. I don't know why. It's take up so much space. Oh, those are transformers. You need those to run American devices, as well as like cords everywhere in my room because of them. Yeah, it's all my cologne and stuff and jewelry. This is my closet. I know it look a mess in there. Everything is wrinkled still because it's fresh out the box. In the video, it's been like 3 months since I made the video though, so everything's better now. But I ain't flat re-recording. Yeah. So this is my tiny master bathroom. Like y'all, I love having a bathtub. I don't know why, but I was like taking the bath when I'm like sore, I'm sick or anything. I jump into the bathtub to feel better. But I got the bar in my house, so that's all that matters. And the 2 balconies are pretty nice. But I still got the bidet toilet, and not bidet, like whatever, the heated toilet seat and everything in this bathroom. Yeah, so that's my master bedroom in a nutshell. So we're gonna go up to my workroom now. Has anybody try to break in?
Yeah, I got
See that
you.
camera quality? Don't
I got you on camera. You on candid camera
I
now.
got stuff to steal up here. Let me stop. Yeah, it's pretty cool though. So on the top of the house is my workroom. I put it in my room because I may actually start sewing a lot more because it's right there and maybe more convenient, maybe because it's right in my room. But yeah, we'll see how that works out. And I do got some sewing videos I did make too that will be coming. This is the top floor balcony. I did this video different days, so like y'all might say, why does sky look different from the other video? It's a different day, that's why. Mind your business. But that's the second balcony right there. And you can see the mountain range and stuff as well from this balcony. It's pretty cool. Those brown buildings are our base right there. The way I pointed to is the way I work at. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my house and a little view and peek inside how people are living here in Korea. If you're ever in Korea and want to visit and I know you, come on, stop by. I got a guest room for you. Check out the next video. Oh, this clip is just like seeing how it was when I moved there and how they moved my stuff. Had like a big old truck. I guess people see this all the time, man, in big cities. But yeah, I never seen this before. It's like a truck that takes it all the way to the top floor if it needed to. But the crazy part is they kept bringing the stuff in like on the bottom floor and everything needed to go to the top floor.